my strategy told me to look for sales. That's what I did. I seen this kind of a double top, kind of a lower high forming, and so I entered right here for GJ. So far we're in profit, but we still got this level to break right here. And we'll see how price reacts when it hits this level. This could be a demand zone. Seeing how price shot down here and shot back up. So we'll see. Yep. We will see. These trades I'm not in. I was just looking at, yeah, see, I had a feeling that one's going to break to the upside. Then we got a gap up top. Strategy told me to look for buys. I didn't see any buys though. So we'll see. This could be a false break to the upside. Anyway, buy signals are looking valid. Missed a decent entry on EURUSD to the downside, but my strategy is not telling me to look for sales. Even though we reached the top of this range, my strategy is not telling me to look for sales. So I'm not going to. I'm going to continue to look for buys. Here's the proof. We're in the trade. Yeah, like I said, we really need to break these levels right here. I'm going to be feeling real comfortable if we can break 161.58. Right now, we're worried about 161.70. This area right here. See how we got a wick right here? We break this low, break this wick, then there's a better chance of it going down to this area. And once it goes down to this area, it can go down here. Hey, we're about to find out if this candle prints as like a bullish engulfing, then we might be in some trouble. Because you can see these are things I like to look for. But honestly, that's like higher highs and shit like that. Do not want this candle to close bullish engulfing. And the fact that this candle shot up like that so early, I like. It either can go all the way up, which I don't think it's going to do, or it could exhaust fast. It's early in the candle. Still got 3 whole minutes left. Basically 4. I think that candle's going to wick up, start to come back down to the profit. Or it could close in bullish engulfing. We'll see. Okay, so this is a tricky thing about this one. It's telling me to look for sales, but these big green candles right here tell me that there's buyers in the market. We could see a reversal from here. It could definitely go bullish, especially being oversold the 4 hour and the level that it's at. Yeah, man, this could be the end of that little fall, because prices reached these areas before and continue to go up. So we'll see. Let's see. Hopefully my strategy leads me right. Risking a 0.5% on this trade. And as a matter of fact, what's 1% of my stop loss? Oh, come on, gang. Yeah, that's not looking great. That's not looking great. It's looking like they want to start reversing coming up. You set a trade, you let it hit the stop loss. I don't move my stop loss anymore. And I don't exit trades early anymore. Like back in the day, if this would have closed bullish engulfing, I'd be like, oh man, It looks like it's gonna go up, so let me just get out. Like, bro, you didn't give your trade any chance to do anything. And half the times when I did that, it would end up going my way anyway. So you set a stop loss, you have to be willing to lose. That's the money that you are willing to lose, the percentage you're willing to lose. All right, gang. I like that much better. Until then. And if it starts to reject this area, right here, and then if it makes it down here, but this is gonna be our take profit right here, 160. Now this is what really be scaring me right here. I ain't gonna lie. This is where your trading psychology comes in though. Like, especially if this candle came down and rejected, right? Those spike ups, those wicks aren't always rejections. Sometimes it's buying pressure. You feel me? And the fact that this candle right here is coming up to that high tells me that there's some buyers in the market. Now, are the buyers strong enough to keep this candle bullish and keep the price bullish? Because we got a higher low right here, and if this candle closes bullish and go from for real, then I'm really not gonna like that. Risking 126 to make 388. This is what I was scared of. Right here. This type of print happening. Now, already in my head, I lost. But I don't know how many trades I lost in my head that I won in real life, so. Believe in your strategy. Since you want some Marvin Gaye, some Luther Vandross. USD. Bada bang. Get the open count. That motherfucker right there. The chart so I can fucking see it. Yeah, a little bit. Boom. Zoom in. Boom. Boom. Up. And then where we went at 1.1. We just entered EURUSD. Buy. So here's our EURUSD position. We saw price come back down to this demand and reject. So hopefully we can see it break this high. And for GJ, wow, EURUSD and GJ. It's rare that I trade two currency pairs. I usually trade indices. GJ, see how GJ is doing. All right, so far so good. Check back in a little bit later, see how the trades is doing. Okay, so it's looking like these trades might hit their stop loss. It does seem as if it's going to hit our stop. If it does, it's okay. I might stop trading GJ if it does. I might try to stop if it does. Because I don't want to keep losing. They're both not looking good. GJ is really. And you know what? I got other tools to my disposal. I should have been checking my currency heat wave as well. Seeing the strength on So the British pound does appear to be stronger. That's why it's going up. Good. Fuck. So basically we got our second position, same stop loss, same take profit, which is down here. So 1.8, but this is only risking like a certain like point something. What? I got stopped out, euro. Damn, gang. So we down $130 for the day. Tragic. It's okay though. Look at oil. I knew that was a short. Fucking, you know how oil be. Yeah, I wish I got in right here. Watch out a little bit more close to the game. Could have already been in profit. I'm about to start only trading oil. Cause you know what? Matter of fact, that's 2 Euro USD losses. I have no Euro USD wins. None. Yeah, you gotta start paying attention to the shit you're good at. I don't know why you got gold on your chart game. GJ, SUI. Shit, if I lose this GJ trade, best believe it won't be on my chart no more. I noticed. I was like, I'm in GJ and Euro USD. That's rare that I'm in 2 fucking currency pairs. Because I'm really good. I'd rather trade indices and commodities. Oil's just my bread and butter, man. I seen this trade and I missed it. I completely missed it. I'm missing all the good ones. See how the SPY, the US, the oil, and then these ones just fuck around with me. Yeah, man. If this loses, I'm done with GJ until I can backtest it. So I'm just done looking at it right now, and I don't see myself getting into anything else. So if I go 0 for 2, it's a wrap. We'll come back to it and see what's good. Okay, so we entered one more trade. With a continuation. But I don't know. Price moved up pretty sharp. This could be a demand zone. So if price does move back down here before hitting my stop loss, then it could bounce back up, but we'll see. And GJ, we're still waiting for. It's not looking great for me though. Come on, TP. Come on, oil. What you doing? Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh, wait. Oh. What you doing, gang? Gang. I don't like that, gang. Oh. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. I don't know. What the fuck? Are you kidding me? Shit about to get closed out, no cap. You see that push? So oil hit our TP, which is great. GJ was eventually stopped out, but I was able to essentially make it a break-even trade. Once I seen the price action, how it was behaving, how it rejected this zone twice, I decided to close my first position for a gain of $50, and I decided to let my second position hit stop loss just in case it decided to come down and hit the take profit, just because the second position was only risking $20, and it would have virtually made around the same as the other position because of how we structured it. But yeah, we ended up making about $20 on this trade, even though it was a loser, and winning our oil trade, and then we lost our euro trade that you guys got to see. And actually, let me pull this back up, because I was looking at that euro trade, and I'm pretty sure I know. Hopefully I pull out the one with, I'm trying to pull out the one that I had with the that I had marked up. Forex, Euro USD. Should have had a boom. So hold on, let's try this. Euro USD. I'll add all these Euro USDs till I find mine. There it is. All right, so basically with Euro USD, what had happened with there, well, it still wouldn't have hit our take profit, so we probably would have had take profit somewhere around this area. But what happened with Euro USD is that I marked out my zone incorrectly. I marked this out as a zone when there's a whole big cluster of candles right here. That should have been the bottom of my zone, and I should have found an entry that got me a nice risk to reward with a stop loss below the low of this wick right here. You see this wick right here? This guy poking out the bottom right there. Stop loss right below that wick. Now that would have saved me from getting stopped out on Euro USD, but we still wouldn't have hit our take profit. So let's. Yeah, we definitely would not have had our take. Well, boom, we go from the ramp up, from the actual ramp up, boom, to. Yeah, we definitely wouldn't have had to take profit. But yeah, I think a loss I could have avoided was EURUSD if I would took a little bit more time and paid attention to the zone. You know, this shallow zone, short stop loss, took an unnecessary loss. But yeah, so basically we did good today. Technically we went 2 for 2. With this loss, the small $20 loss when it hit the stop, and then we got that small $50 winner, and then we got our 1 to 3 winner, or 1 to 2 winner, and we ended up making 1% on the account today. So we're one step closer to being funded. Let's go, baby. Appreciate y'all. Doses.